By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
I do not approve this message on your fucking movie.
Asher,
The term owned I was using very
taking
loosely.
pictures of me, I'm gonna pull out my 357
Yes,
and
you're gonna
blow
put a hole
your
in your
nose
ass.
into 2 different channels.
What are you taking pictures of me? You know what, Asher? I swear to God. If you take a picture, I'll punch you in the face.
No, Asher, you're an asshole.
You are allowed to take my picture in a bar now. I am off of probation.
Yay.
I played in California.
Look, it hasn't broken any fat chicks yet.
Don't fool around with a rambling man.
It's already gone, you horse's ass.
You guys want to give me a kiss really quick? For the movie?
No.
And they have the horse bucky tickets are on sale. They'll be coming around through there if you want to buy some of those. Also the duck derby hosted by the library.
It ain't always the same, but it's always the same.
You've asked me this question 6 times. Are you trying to get the right answer?
No, I'm just drunk.
Oh. I'm just drunk because of you. See, you brought me another drink, now I got 2.
What kind of people do you think Whitebird attracts?
The drunks.
We don't want everybody to think we're a bunch of drunks.
A lot of people would look at that and say, well, she's just a pig. Well, I ain't a pig. I shower every day, I brush my teeth, I'm as clean as any son of a bitch.
What was that?
The bass. Idaho smallmouth bass. Right on. First cast.
You know, our children are trained to shoot.
Boys, what's going on? Oh yeah, you've been down to the swimming hole, I know. This is the only bar I ever crawled out of. And we drove home. Don crawled down to the motel. He didn't even make it in his motel. He's like 10 feet from the door and passed out. No fight. One fight almost started, but the women almost beat that guy up.
Say, this is Whitebird. 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 Apparently. Whitebird. Dude, don't you know, boy? This is Whitebird.
This is Whitebird. Yay!
Somebody let me out of my cage now. You shouldn't be scared. I'm under his snare. Intangible, I bet you didn't think so. I command you to a panoramic view. Make it all manageable. Pick and choose chicks and dudes. Make it all manageable.
To me, it's a creek, but here it's a crick. Can you comment on that?
Well, that's just how we talk.
River,
There's a creek and a
stream,
crick.
creek, crick.
There is no such thing.
No
There's
such
a
thing.
creek. C-R-E-E-K.
So how is it?
There is no
So at
creek.
what point does it go from
Crick.
this big to a river?
Have you?
What's in between?
Nothing.
Why is there stream, creek,
Have you
crick,
seen it
and
spelled
river?
There
Why is
isn't a
there
crick.
4 of them?
There isn't.
I have a dictionary, goddammit.
No.
Google it. God
You look in
damn.
the
You
dictionary.
don't even know when you're arguing with me. Jesus
I
fucking
do
Christ.
know. I do know.
You don't know if you're asking both hands about this
I do.
particular
She don't
subject.
stand behind her shit unless she knows it.
Yep.
Bullshit. She'd argue with the
Okay,
fucking
Google
dictionary. Male.
Go across the street and get your dictionary, bro.
I don't need to. I know what it is.
not in
fucking
there.
Google it.
Google it. I'm sure it's gonna say it's a small creek.
No, there is no such thing.
Okay.
Yeah, a creek is a small river.
No.
A creek, not a crick.
Yeah.
There is no such thing as
Why
a
would there
crick.
be four names if they didn't
There
have to
isn't.
mean something?
Not unless you're from Whiteburg.
Yeah,
There ain't no
no,
such
unless
thing
you're
as
from
creek.
When you're fucking in the city looking at it on a book, that's what you think. You
Okay.
live it?
Correct. Is
Yeah.
it spelled
Right,
like brick
ignore
but
for
with
a
a
fucking-
That's like, dude, that's like, I'm sorry, bro, but that's like, if you don't take.
If you don't take.
Do it. Yeah, right.
Correct.
Here I thought I was gonna get away with just coming in
It
and
has
having
it
a nice
spelled.
beer.
Lenny, how's it spelled? So I
C-R-I-K,
C-R-I-C-K.
C-R-I-C-K.
like brick.
Yep.
Just like.
With a cut.
It says you are offline.
I will.
People are asking, why isn't Walter singing?
I will.
Get water in my tutu. God damn it. Got water in my tutu.
Are you filming that shit?
We've got a fellow here who's about 62 years old. He's a property owner on the Salmon River. That's a fantastic deal. Anytime you got river remedies like that, and you come from Eugene, Oregon, you're most on toast from coast to coast. Right now we're going to sing some songs, and we got Brody Rod here. We got a killer lady right behind here named Renee, and she rode a lot of bulls in her. Look at her butt. Stand up and turn around. She's got one of those rodeo butts. I'll tell you what. And she swung a saddle now and again. Wonderful lady right there.
Harry, you're still here?
No, I went away for a while.
And you came back?
I've been here for like maybe 2 weeks.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just getting more footage.
And those crazy fuckers in Whiteburg.
That girl's playing around with me. Never had a plan, just a living for a minute.
Oh my God.
On the way down yonder on the Chattahoochee, they feel taller than a hoochie coochie. Way down yonder on the Chattahoochee, they feel taller than a hoochie coochie. We learn about swinging and I learned to walk, not about
Old girl wants to marry, and the rich girl wants to flirt.
Whatever your prescription says.
Rich man
Take one of
goes
them
to
anyway. And they ask
bed,
you, they go through, they go, you want to say
goes to
bitter
work.
or...
Drunkard wants another drink of wine, and a politician wants to
Hey, are you CIA?
But see, I'm trying to get mine, so I gotta get mine during the day.
I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns, drinking beer, chasing my blues away. You ain't been around, bitch. You ain't seen nothing yet.
Bow, bow.
Baby, you ain't seen
Nothing yet. This motherfucker.
You ain't been around, bitch. I'll fly away in the morning when I die. I'll fly away. Oh, how bad and happy to be. feet out my way.
Fly. Oh. No, did I fuck it up?
Way to go, Asher.
No. There we go. Sorry.
When the band stopped and the smoke cleared, there was thunder. Whoa, whoa, yeah. The seven Spanish angels took another angel home.
You couldn't make me live in big city. I've lived in big cities and I don't like them. Every time I come here, it's like when I come over the hill and I see it, it's like a relief. Things are slowing down. People are a lot nicer here.
That's when I came up here. And by God, he was absolutely right. I could feel my stress level dropping. A year and a half ago, in March of last year, my youngest son got married. Once I got over the Cascades, I could feel my stress level coming down. And by the time I got to Whitebird, I was calm again.
In the city, you can live next door to somebody for 12 years and you have no clue who they are or anything like that because you just fade in, you know, blend in with the rest of everybody else, and people are afraid to say, who are you? You know, what are you doing? How'd you get here?
You're more introverted. You put up a shell or something.
Nobody trusts my feet. You can't leave your kids' toys outside. Somebody's gonna rip them off. Can't leave a bicycle out. I don't lock my doors, except when I leave on vacation or something like that. The keys have never been out of my car, ever. Nobody's ever stole the car here.
But then there's things like traffic, which are not just stressful but annoying beyond belief. You know what? I don't sit in freaking traffic here. I could walk to both of my plants, water and sewer plants, you know? And half the time somebody offered me a ride.
You think about it in the city. I mean, in the city, the cheapest place you're gonna find is like $700-800. The money thing ain't such a big deal because the cost of living here is so low. You know, I pay $240 a month for rent. When I mow the yard now, I only pay $140 a month for rent. So, you know, I mean, that's pretty cheap.
There wasn't one person that I could wait on and know tomorrow that they would be my friend. I could come here and do that, and I would know tomorrow they would be there for me. I mean, seriously. I mean, it's just that small town atmosphere.
But then they're always seeking that calmer, lower pace of life where you know everybody.
You can't be fake in a small town like this because people are going to find you out. They really will.
And we come together in time of need and we all take care of each other. There's a lot of love and respect, but that is what Whitebird means to me. I'm an old lady. I live in a little fifth wheel over there. If I have problems, they come a-running.
I had lots of friends growing up and stuff like that. 2 or 3 close friends and a few acquaintances in the city. I have more freaking friends and more acquaintances here than I have in my entire life combined. I walk down the street and everybody waves, you know, and you know, it's just, how can you not feel better about life when you have that many correspondents that are almost all positive? You know what I mean? Never before in my life have I experienced that. And I know if I got in trouble, Whitebird would be there for me.
Well, it's just hard to change here, you know, because there's, what else are you going to do?
Here we go.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Because of all of the wonderful things he does.
It's a true story. So a couple years ago, a gal, friend of Whitebirds, came up here. She comes up here hunting and fishing. She comes up with a bunch of gals, about 19 of them. They were at Pittsburgh Landing in Hell's Canyon on the Snake River. And they were drinking and partying and supposedly fishing. Anyway, so Melanie's getting drunk and she sees this cute little snake coming across the road. And she decides to pick it up. Well, it happened to be a rattlesnake and it bit her. So now her friends are panicking. They want to get her up the hill into the hospital. And she says, no, I don't need a hospital. I'll just slam some more beers. I'll feel fine. They finally get in her car, and on the way up to Pittsburgh Saddle, which is 7 miles, she slams a 6-pack. And that's 7 miles. Anyway, she wants them to stop in Whitebird on the way to pick up more beer. Half-pack. In case they make her stay in the hospital. Anyway, they finally get to the hospital, and the doctor does a breathalyzer, and she blows a 273. Yeah. And the doctor offers her morphine. He says, Doc, I ain't got no pain. So anyway, when she comes to Whitebird, her name is no longer Melanie, it's Snakebite. That's what everybody knows her as, right, Rich? So I wrote her a song. Snakebite, someone's got to tell you the truth. Don't pick a rattlesnake up by the tooth. Seems like you might be a little tense. Well, next time, why not try some common sense? Rushing Snakebite to the hospital quick. Snakebite says, slamming beers will do the trick. I see that Snakebite slammed on the wing. He wants a half-back if you're gonna make her stay. Doctor said, Snakebite here's a mess for the pain. Snakebite said, Doctor, you fucking insane. Doc said, Snakebite, I have to agree. You didn't do it 273. Snakebite, have you learned your lesson yet? A rattlesnake doesn't make a very good pet. Next time that you get the in, well, why not kiss a scorpion in? The next time that you want to take your life, well, why not give an O.J. Simpson's next wife?
On a winter's day in the rain, white bird in a golden cage.
Oh, don't turn around. Get up. Stop it. I mean it. I'm not that bad. I mean it, Richie, and I'm serious. What? Fuck you, bastard. I'm so sick of this Asher dude. I know you're Asher. You want to see this? Tell him what a little bastard he is. I know. He's a little bastard, I know. An old grandma. I'm Daddy's fulfillment. Baha. He's like giggling and laughing. You know we both look like horses' asses on his film. He doesn't even have film. Tip him off. He hates you. Let him see my hairy asshole. I am not a flasher because I save my ass for the people I love. You're gonna get Mickey's hairy asshole. Fuck off. Quit it. He's so nasty.
I'm just present and polite.
I ain't. I'm darker than the pig.
You are pigger than the drunk.
I am.
Oh, shit, she's got big tits, though.
Well, honey, they're hanging to my belly button.
I noticed that. That's why I was trying to pick them up.
You're
So it'll be more picturesque.
You're such a good man.
I'm just rotten as all fucking, you know that.
I love you, Richie.
Nobody loves me, not even Santa Claus. One time. No, one time Santa Claus. No, Santa Claus is on top of the roof, and I shot that cocksucker. That's what we had for fucking Christmas dinner. Fat man. And pineapple. I like that Santa Claus that year.
I know
it. He's a good Santa Claus.
You are a very good dude, Richie.
No, it's not true.
Well, only to me.
No, God told me I wasn't very good. He says...
You're not. You're a horrible rock son of a bitch. What? You think you're gonna get a pickup?
No, I don't want no damn pickup. Ah!
All right, I'm done.